Hello guys, welcome to another lab. In this lab we are going to learn about tags, Ansible tags. So what it is, let's look into that and we will do some exercises on tags as well. So let's jump into and understand that what is tag is. So basically what is tag is whenever we are having a large playbook, so it is sometime we are coming with a new module. I don't want to run the code, all the code which is already working fine. It is very painful task to run again and again. To avoid such scenario, we need a mechanism to handle such thing. So Ansible provide this thing in the form of tags. So we can define the tags for each code, and whichever we want to run we can tag it with the tags, and then afterwards while running the code we need to mention that which tag we want to run it. So you will more understand that once we will do the demo. Some points to remember when you are using it: you can keep same name for the tag, so that what will happen that it will group the task. For example, if task 1 it belongs to particular group 1, and task 2 also belongs to particular group, certain activities, so you can tag it as a group 1, so only those tasks will be executed. If you keep same name, those tasks will be executed. Special tags, there is a special tag that will always run a task unless it's specifically skipped. So there is also a task called always. You can tag it as always, so irrespective of whether you are tagging or not tagging, you can run that. It is very useful in a scenario where you are working with databases, where you want to run the connection, establishment of the connection. So it must run whenever happen. So and then afterwards you are performing some task. So in that scenario you can use always, so that it will run always. So let's jump into terminal and look into that how we can do this. I have also provided the hands-on lab, so we will follow this hands-on lab. So let's copy it, it will help. So it is the first step, it is telling that create a playbook called tag demo.yaml. So we will do that. Let's jump into terminal, we will clear it. So first step, it is telling create a file called tags demo.yaml. Yes, we will create it. Okay, now let's look into that what it is telling. So another exercise, it is very simple exercise. So this is the playbook which we have to work. I will explain you all this code. Just so again I'm here using the power of copy paste. So to understand this code, again what we are doing here, that we are running this code into the controller machine. Controller machine is the machine where we have installed Ansible. And after that we are telling that we are going to use this environment variable which we have seen earlier. And again this we have also seen gather facts, we discussed about. After that, in these two tasks again we are going to use the earlier playbook which we have used in variables, but here we are coming with a new line of code that is called tags. So we want to mark this task as task 1, and we want to mark the another task is task 2. I will show you when you run it. If you are providing that minus minus tags with task 1, it will execute only that task. So let's see that how we are going to execute it. So control X, yes. Now to run it we need to write Ansible hyphen playbook. Here we have created an inventory, if you remember that, we inventory.ini, and we want to run the tags demo.yaml, and here we need to mark it as which tag we want to run. So we need to mark it minus minus tags, and here we will mention the task 1. I want to execute only task 1. It has started running. See here we have two tasks, it has executed only one. If you don't provide this, then what will happen, it will execute the whole task. Right now it executed how many it has executed 2. Now it will show us 3. So gathering fact, it is considering, see here, it executed 3. So now if we want to mention the tags, now I want to run only the task 2. So we can run it like this. See here, so it has executed this, executed the second task where we told that we want to know about the Ansible distribution, and which it is returning Ubuntu. Now we will look into the example of always tag. If we go inside that, then we need to go, we come over here. What we will do, I wanted to demonstrate that, so we can copy one of the task. We come here and paste that in tag. For example, we are going to give a name called for example, connection, and instead of tags we will mention it always. So what will happen, that irrespective of if we are going to provide any tag, if suppose if we are giving that minus this task 1 to execute, so it will execute always tag as well, because we are marking it, it will run always along with task 1. If you run task 2, on that case also always tag will run. So let's see that how to do that. Control X, yes. So now we will come over here and we will tell that I want to run task 1. See here, it ran both the task 1 here, connection variable task it have run, but we have asked for task 1 to run only, but it is also executing always because we are marking it irrespective of whichever tags you are running, this tag should run. So this is what always tag means. So just see that tag task 2, if you run it in that scenario also it will run. See, so this is what I wanted to demonstrate in this session. So see you in next lab, and you will practice, and slowly and step by step we are moving forward to writing a big playbook. For time being, just practice this, and see you in the next session. Bye bye.